Play-based learning, as the term suggests, means having fun and exploring new ideas. When we play, there are far less expectations. We don't feel as if there's a goal, there's a target. And what happens if you don't hit the goal, the target, the expectations, right? You feel that, oh, maybe I didn't do so well. But when it comes to play, people are a bit more relaxed. They say, hey, let's try this new idea. And if it doesn't work, it's okay because we're just having fun. And I think that that's a very good philosophy to have, especially with children. Because when children are very, very young, they don't really understand why science is important, why you need to study physics. They don't understand why math is so important for their future or why computers are so great. They don't. But what children do is they act on their emotions. They want to do something that's fun, entertaining, engaging, interesting, something that enables them to understand more about the world. And that's why play-based education is so effective for children, because it is how they naturally like to learn. In fact, for us adults, that's also the way we like to learn as well. If we could play and learn at the same time, it's far better approach than having strict targets, having stress, having to meet expectations. And so a play-based approach, the Finnish way, I think works both with children and adults. I think that if I have one point I would like to give, it is the definition of the word teacher. In many traditional Asian countries, example in Singapore, in China, when we talk about teacher, it means a person who is authoritative, a person who knows more than their students, a person that if they are talking, the students must listen. In Finland, the role and the definition of a teacher is quite different from what we have in Asia. In Finland, a teacher is a friend. A teacher is a facilitator, a teacher is a mentor to the students. A teacher doesn't give the answers to the students. In Finland, the teachers help students to think, and together the teacher and the students discover the answers together. And that's a very powerful way of learning, because when students come up with the answers themselves, they have better understanding of the problem that they are solving, and they are not just memorizing, but they truly understand what they are learning and why they are learning. And because of that, they are more interested. Because of that, they can modify, they can use the knowledge in different ways because they understand it deeply. So I think that if we were to adopt a more positive way of teaching, like in Finland, then we need to re-examine what the term teacher means in Thailand.